In this video, I'll guide you through how to create charts in LibreOffice Calc. Whether you're a student, a business professional, or someone who just loves organizing data, creating charts can be an incredibly effective way to present information visually. Let's dive right in and transform your data into easy to understand visuals. First things first, you'll need to open the LibreOffice application on your computer. If you don't have it installed yet, you can download it from the LibreOffice official website. Once you've got the application open, you'll want to select the Calc spreadsheet option. This is where all the magic happens. Calc is LibreOffice's equivalent to Microsoft Excel, offering a robust set of features for handling spreadsheets. With your Calc spreadsheet open, the next step is to locate the Insert option in the top menu. Clicking on Insert will open a drop-down menu where you'll find a variety of options. Here, you'll want to select Chart. This is the gateway to creating a visual representation of your data. Once you click Chart, a dialog box will appear, guiding you through the chart creation process. Here, you'll need to select the chart type that best suits your data. Options include bar charts, line charts, pie charts, and more. Each type of chart serves different purposes, so consider what will best convey the story your data is telling. After choosing the chart type, the next step is to define the data range. This tells Calc which cells to include in your chart. You can manually input the cell range or use your mouse to highlight the desired cells directly within your spreadsheet. It's a straightforward yet crucial step, as it ensures that your chart accurately reflects the data you wish to present. Following the data range selection, you'll move on to defining the data series and chart elements. The data series option allows you to customize what data appears on the different axes of your chart. You can add multiple data series if your chart needs to compare different data sets. Additionally, chart elements such as titles, labels, and legends can be adjusted here to enhance your chart's clarity and professionalism. Once you've made all your selections, you'll simply click Finish. This final step will generate your chart within the spreadsheet. You can then adjust its size and position by clicking and dragging it around the spreadsheet area. If you find that you need to tweak any element of your chart, simply double-click it to bring up the editing options again. And there you have it. You've successfully created a chart in LibreOffice Calc. This simple yet powerful tool can help you transform complex data sets into visually appealing charts, making your data analysis more effective and engaging. I hope this guide has been helpful in showing you how to create charts in LibreOffice Calc. Remember, practice makes perfect. The more you experiment with different chart types and settings, the more adept you'll become at choosing the right visual representation for your data. Thanks for watching and happy charting.